Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. Today we're going to take a look at how to make this beautiful pink and white arrangement. All right, let's get started. So I just have a normal circular box from any floral supply store. And I love this because this one came lined, and all I did was cut the floral foam in half, and then I'm going to cut it again because I'm going to sit it on top, like secure it on top. So I kind of cut it, and then I kind of trim the edges so that it can fit in the box nice and tight. So then I take some floral tape and I tape it in because we don't want it to move. Well, it probably wouldn't move around or anything, but I rather have things nice and tight than it move around and then I'm kind of in trouble, you know? So now we have everything in and secure. I put on some gloves which were too big and was really hard to work with, but it's supposed to be contactless, so I'm not supposed to touch their flowers too much at this current time. So now I'm cutting the leather leaf to kind of outline the outside of the box because we don't really want to see it. So I'm cutting I'm kind of cutting them to like a smaller size. I didn't need it to be too big. I had about 4 of these I had to make, so it didn't have to use much. Now I'm taking the lemon leaf and I'm going to also cut and stick that in there, kind of underneath. Now I'm going to cut my roses and bloom them by spinning them, and then I just put it in the box and I just kind of stick them in there, kind of coming a little bit outwards. I cut the roses at an angle so that when I stick them in the floral foam, one, it's easier for them to kind of pierce through the foam, and then two, it also helps with the hydration. So I'm just going to put 3 pink roses, and then I put 3 ivory roses. I think I put 4 ivory roses. I can't really remember. I did it different I kind of put in the other ones that I made, I ended up putting pink in the center because I wanted a little bit more pink. But with this, and then I believe I went to the carnations, I want to say. I clean as I go. I can't stand having a bunch of stuff to have to clean up at the end. But at the carnations, what I did, which you can't see off camera, which I'm so mad, is I kind of flattened them out to make them a little wider, because sometime when carnations are, just fresh out of the bag, they need to kind of be spread out and made them look wider. So I kind of put some carnations in there in the little hollow spots. And then I'm going to take the Yeah, you can see right there kind of how I kind of spread it out. I'm going to take some pink. I think I only put like 3 pink also. Cut it to size, tuck them in there. Now I'll go back through and try to get the desired shape that I'm looking for, kind of like a round. Oh no, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the, oh no, I did put some more carnations or in there because I needed a round for it to look round. So I put a few carnations in the spots that needed to kind of make it look round. And you see right there, that little hollow spot right there. I'm going to put in another, can't remember if yeah, I put a carnation. Oh no, a rose. I put a rose right there. And so it's pretty much rounded. I put it some more leather leaf in there. Now comes the baby's breath. And I just kind of tuck this in to the spots that you can see holes. So kind of like at the bottom, any spots that I seen kind of like were hollow, I just grabbed me a few sprigs or yeah, sprigs and just kind of tucked it in there. And I went from there. That is basically it. Keep tucking into the little spots that I needed. And I wanted to still keep that round shape going on. We don't want to take that away. Keep it looking round and nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And if you want to, leave a comment down below to let me know what would you like to see next.